Dear students, I am Dr. Rachna Mathur, Associate Professor, Government Dungar College, Bikaner. In the second lecture of the series of lectures on operation research, today we are going to discuss solution of linear programming problem. We have studied LPP in last lecture. Now we will talk about the solution of an LPP. Let us take LPP in its matrix notation. Maximize Z equal to Cx, Ax greater than equal to B, x greater than equal to 0. Now we will define feasible solution. A set of values of variables which satisfies constraints as well as non-negative restriction is called a feasible solution of an LPP. That is, values of variables which satisfies number 2 and number 3. Here we are not discussing about number 1. Now to solve an LPP, firstly we take graphical method. To explain this method, I take one example, which is find the values of x, y which maximize z equal to 20x plus 30y subject to the condition 3x plus 2y is less than equal to 210, x plus 2y is less than equal to 150 and y is less than equal to 65. Also non-negative restrictions, x greater than equal to 0, y greater than equal to 0. In order to solve above LPP by graphical method, first of all we convert all the inequalities into equations like 3x plus 2y equal to 210, x plus 2y equal to 150, y equal to 65 and x equal to 0, y equal to 0. We can write these equations in its intercept form like first equation x by 70 plus y by 105 equal to 1, x by 150 plus y by 75 equal to 1 number 2 and y by 65 equal to 1 number 3. Now we draw these lines on a graph. So here is the graph of these lines. We draw these 3 lines and mark number 1, 2 and 3. Now we found out common solution area. Here you can see the common area which satisfies all the conditions is given by O, A, B, C, D. We have to then calculate coordinates of vertices O, A, B, C, D and then find the values of Z for every point. Here I have given in a tabular form these values. So in first column, vertex O, A, B, C, D, coordinates O00, 0, A 70, 0, B 30, 60, C 20, 65, D 0, 65. For these values, objective function z, which is z equal to 20x plus 30y. So for O, z equal to 0, for A, z equal to 1400, for B, z equal to 2400, for C, z equal to 2350 and for D, z equal to 1950. Now what is our objective? We have to maximize Z. Now see what is the maximum value here in all these values. So 2400 is the maximum value of z, which is corresponding to the point B, coordinate of which point are 30, 60. So we can say maximum value of z is obtained at B 30, 60. Therefore our answer is x equal to 30, y equal to 60 and z equal to 2400. So these values of x and y will maximize our objective function z. So this was all about graphical method. Now next method we will consider is simplex method. Before starting the simplex method, we will study theory of simplex method. We will take it in my next lecture. Thank you.